Click on the link below to get price. The Purple Leaf Outdoor Chaise Lounge is designed to blend comfort with functionality, making it a noteworthy addition to any outdoor space. With its sleek design, this chaise lounge serves as a stylish seating option for patios, poolsides, or gardens. This particular model features a slide-out design, allowing users to easily adjust the length and angle of the lounge for optimal relaxation. The versatility of the chaise is enhanced by its ability to accommodate various lounging positions, whether one prefers to sit upright with a book or recline back to soak up the sun. This adaptability makes it an appealing choice for both sunbathers and those seeking a comfortable place to unwind outdoors. In terms of construction, the Purple Leaf Chaise Lounge is crafted with a durable frame designed to withstand the elements. The materials used are not only robust but are also intended to provide a level of weather resistance, which is beneficial for outdoor furniture subjected to varying conditions. The cushions are designed to offer a comfortable seating experience, featuring fabric that is both soft to the touch and easy to clean, ensuring that maintenance remains manageable for users. When it comes to usage, the chaise lounge is straightforward to set up and requires minimal assembly. Its lightweight nature allows for easy repositioning, whether you want to shift it closer to the pool for a quick dip or move it to a shaded area for a leisurely afternoon read. Additionally, the lounge's design takes into account both form and function, making it an appealing piece that can enhance the aesthetic of any outdoor setting. In conclusion, the Purple Leaf Outdoor Chaise Lounge stands out for its combination of comfort, style, and practicality. Whether you're looking to enjoy a sunny afternoon by the pool or simply want a comfortable spot to relax in your garden, this chaise lounge offers a flexible solution. With its durable materials and thoughtful design, it aims to provide a reliable seating option that caters to the varied needs of outdoor leisure.